Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Finance Business Partner. Most of my viewers have been asking to prepare dashboard reports with the use of Excel. So I always told them that you can do it in Excel as well as in Power BI, but they are not comfortable with Power BI because they have some fears. But I always suggest them to use Power BI because it is one of the best functionalities we have been using. And now for the people who are not comfortable with the Power BI, we will create dashboard report in Excel. So there is a very powerful function came in Office 365, which is the analyze data field. Okay, so first we will do the analysis and then we will do the calculated field option. Now, this is our revenue data. We have taken it from here. Now it has almost 6,000 plus rows, around 6,000 rows. Okay, so we will do it and we have regions, products and everything. We will go over here and go to the home tab, and there's a very powerful function came at this analyze data. Just click it over here. When you do this, artificial intelligence automatically create some powerful visuals as well as reports for us, so that we don't need to go into details. So on the go you can create, take the data table as well as the charts for your dashboard reporting, and it is on the go. You can do it. See how many types it has taken. It's almost 20 plus results it has given me. So based on the my data, I can ask the questions first. The questions that total units by date in the line chart. It will give me. If I like it, I will put it in the chart. It will create a suggested table. Okay, that whether it is logical for me or not. Okay, now go into again. If I don't like that one, first we will go that units by products, the net revenue by region and sales tab. It looks good that it is a comprehensive data, and good thing is that it gives you an idea that how the format should of the report should be as a very professional way. You see how the all the information for the sales reps came over here. If you want to change anything, come over here and then select it. Say that you want region. You can go by dates as well on this table, like that. We just need data for, say that 2020. It will take the data for 2020. So this is one of the powerful functions over here. When we go over here, that's a unit by product. Just click it. If you like it, just click it over here. It will open a new suggestion for you. Just take it over here, just suggestion 3, and it will give you an idea that your whole data has been summarized in a very beautiful manner. You don't need to put the headings because it looks good. Units by products. If you want to keep it, you can change the heading whatever if you require it. Go here and then you can change your tables and everything. But on the go, it gives you a very powerful insight that say that this one is good, that Amir Khan and Dan James, uh, their sales is very good as compared to others. They are the top performers. Click it over here, it will give you suggestions that this data is here. Just copy it here and put it in your dashboard reports. This report, Power Pivot table, the this one is also looks good. It will create another one, the donut chart for this Asia Pacific, because it gives you an insight automatically that which uh, region is performing well as far as sales is concerned. So this is very interesting part which we have been using in our Power BI reports, and I hope you understand the concept of analyzed data. Thank you very much. In the second tutorial, I will give you an idea how to calculate fields so that you will get an idea that how you improve your reporting skills. Whatever you do, you just copy this data and put it in the dashboard reports. It's very simple. Like this, we create and then we plug it over here. So this is very important thing which I would like to share with you, because most of the people have been asking for the dashboard reporting, and this option I really like, the analyze data. and I have been using this in my reporting because it gives artificial intelligence insight automatically. I don't have to look for data or so for the obvious things. So it captures all the information. You see how nice it is, the data in the proper manner, the heading unit by products, and this one that who is the best performer. So I don't have to dig it around that who is there, that gives you up automatically. The data has been filtered in a million US dollars. So it looks a very glossy look, and it is a very professional approach they have given in the artificial intelligence embedded. So it is a very powerful tool for us. Thank you very much. In the same data, I will prepare another tutorial so that you will get to know that how to use the calculated fields and how to use the uh, slicers in our reports. Thank you very much.